Can AI replace humans? Sometimes, yes. Siri, Alexa, Cortana and Google Assistants are all forms of AI or artificial intelligence. But AI extends far past voice-activated assistants. AI is a stimulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems, and almost all business types employ some type of AI today. Some are complicated than others. AI can be categorized in both weak or strong. Weak AI is a system designed and trained for a particular task like voice activated assistants. It maybe can answer your question or obey a programmed command and can't work without human interaction. Strong AI is an AI system with generalized human cognitive abilities, meaning it can solve tasks and find solutions without human interventions. A self-driving car is an example of strong AI that uses a combination of computer vision, image recognition, and deep learning to pilot a vehicle while staying in a given lane and avoiding unexpected obstacles like pedestrians. AI has made its way into a variety of industries that benefit both businesses and consumers like healthcare, education, finance, law, and manufacturing. In fact, many technologies incorporate AI including automation, machine learning, machine vision, natural language processing, and robotics. The application of AI raises legal, ethical, and security concerns. For instance, if an autonomous vehicle is involved in an accident, liability is unclear, and hackers are using sophisticated machine learning tools to gain access to sensitive systems. Despite the risk, there are very few regulations that governing the use of AI tools, but experts assure that AI will simply improve the product and services and won't replace us human anytime soon. So yeah, that's it for this video, my friend. I hope you will find it valuable. If yes, so please comment down below. See you next time. Till then, lots of love and success to you and your team from me and my team. May God bless us all. Namaste. Dhanyavad.